Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best electric chipper shredders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Sunjo CJ603 Electric Silent Wood Chipper. The number 1 best by electric wood chipper on my list has got to be Sunjo 15 amp 1.7 inch Silent Wood Chipper Shredder. This option wins the top spot because it eliminates one of the key complaints about wood chippers or shredders, the noise that they make. Now, this product is advertised as silent. Trust me, it is not silent, but compared to other tools I have tested, it is pretty quiet. This model purrs like a kitten, turning leaves, twigs, brushes, and branches into mulch rapidly. It's also very powerful, boasting a 15 amp motor that turns a drum cutting tool at the bottom of the hopper, and it can destroy branches that are 1.7 inches in diameter. Although this model was built for home use, it's almost just as powerful as some of the smaller commercial offerings that I've seen. It also has some very intuitive safety features, with a self-locking knob that shuts the motor off when it's opened. It's totally portable, and with rugged wheels, you can move it even over tough garden terrain. Sunjo is a legacy name in lawn and garden tools, so you know that it's going to be great. With a 21:1 reduction ratio, this wood chipper shredder is a beast. It's perfect for small or large yards, and thanks to its quiet nature, you can use it in all residential settings without upsetting the neighbors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunjo CJ601E Electric Wood Chipper. This powerful 14 amp option from Sunjo is great for churning out a lot of mulch and is an excellent option for people who have a lot of errant twigs or smaller branches on their lot. With 6-inch wheels for maximum portability over just about any terrain, this shredder is a gem that's easy to use. It also comes with a safety hopper that stops mulching when it's opened. This keeps you safe at all times, especially when moving the chipper from place to place. This wood chipper and shredder is very good for people who want to minimize their waste and use their mulch for gardening. Since it's specifically designed to create uniform mulch from smaller debris, it's an ideal option for the residential do-it-yourself person. Although it is on the smaller side, it's still mighty, churning out 4,300 revolutions per minute. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunjo CJ602E GRY Electric Wood Chipper. Sunjo is one of the best electric wood chipper shredder providers around, and this model definitely proves why. With a powerful 15 amps, it's both secure and robust enough to cut through any refuse that you might have in your yard. Weighing in at 26.2 pounds, this Sunjo model is easy enough to move from place to place. It can handle branches that are 1.5 inches in diameter or less, and you can process them all day long without having to worry that the machine will clog. One of the biggest benefits of this wood chipper and shredder is that it can handle all different types of wood. Unlike other shredders that might balk at larger or harder pieces of wood, this one can do it all. It's best to feed straight sticks into the shredder, as curved ones might take a little bit more effort, and leaf trimmings are not the best for this model. Still, it does do the job if you have a smaller property to maintain. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Earthwise GS70015 Garden Corded Electric Chipper. The Earthwise 15 amp Garden Corded Electric Chipper is phenomenal at mulching and requires very little if any cleanup. It can cut through branches that are 1.7 inches thick and has a handy tamper tool that you can use for the shoot. This helps to keep your hands clean and also keeps them safe from cuts or any accidents involving the electric chipper itself. It also comes with a 1.2 bushel collection bin, so you can work all day without having to change your bags. The receiver collection bin is one of the biggest draws of this electric wood chipper shredder for sure, and with an extra long cord, it allows you to get your work done speedily. It's also jam resistant and very easy to use, making it ideal for novices or for teaching your kids how to use a wood chipper. The one downside is that it can't tackle weeds as well as branches. It will pulverize the weeds and clog up the chute if you're not careful. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is WEN41121 Rolling Electric Wood Chipper and Shredder. This wood chipper shredder from WEN does an excellent job shredding sticks and branches that are 1.5 inches or less in diameter and comes equipped with some safety functionality that turns off the motor while your hopper is open. It comes with two 7-inch blades, 6-inch wheels, and a pushing stick that keeps your hands away from the hopper while you're working. It's best used for smaller jobs, and if you feed too much into it, you could experience some clogs. Still, smaller branches will go right through quickly, and it makes relatively uniform mulch for gardening or landscaping. You should only use dry branches with it, as wet ones could clog up the motor. Other than being ever so finicky with the moisture level of the sticks, this one is a real keeper. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.